You think you bought the same phone as someone in Berlin or Bangkok, you didn't. The Honor robot phone is wearing a disguise and we're pulling the mask off, same chassis weight on the spec sheet. But pop the shell and the component density tells a completely different story. Depending on which continent you're on, 3 markets, 3 price points. 3 different hardware realities hidden inside identical shells. This is the 2026 Global Launch Playbook. The AI processing cluster is where the real surgery happens. Asian variants run the full neural engine, Western models. A harvested die, fewer active cores by design and thermal management. The EU model throttles at 41 degrees Celsius, the Chinese variant keeps pushing. Different vapor chambers, different copper spreader thickness. Same phone? Absolutely not. Under a 10-minute sustained AI workload, the global variant drops 23% in processing throughput. That's not a software quirk, that's a hardware ceiling you paid full price for. The battery cell is physically smaller in North American units, same MAR rating on the box. Achieved through higher density chemistry, which degrades faster in heat. Trade-off never disclosed. Antenna architecture differs across 14 frequency bands. The robotic AI features that use MWave for real-time object sensing, geofenced. Dead on arrival outside Asia, the flagship Robot Vision Mode, Honor's big marketing moment, is software locked in 6 countries, but the hardware to run it. It's right there on the board, artificially disabled. A market segment with a premium chassis around it. Honor isn't alone in this. Every major manufacturer does it. But the robot phone was sold as an AI revolution. Revolutions shouldn't come with regional asterisks. The fine print exists deep in the spec page. A footnote says features vary by region. That's not transparency. That's legal cover for a hardware bait-and switch. Here's the full breakdown. Asian market gets all 14 AI features active. EU gets 9, North America 7, same phone, same price. Fundamentally different product. The honest question isn't whether the Honor robot phone is good, it is. The question is which version of good you're actually receiving and whether you were told. Because the most dangerous thing in tech isn't a bad phone. It's a good phone that isn't what it claims to be.